I would like to show you about a body. These are all the body has been painted, from which the parts look. It's super crazy, only blue from BMW. So I could finally get it ready, and it depends on how cheap it is only to see. But unfortunately this body is not ready yet. The plant will probably be similar to M3. So on, because I finally would like to get StanceNation. But for now only so that I can slowly mount it in it. On the car may be fine, and that this sight would look a little better, but something about it, just to look at it anyway, be it motivation or make me feel like I actually have a super. But I'm a bit ashamed that I have a poor talk. It's not very oral anyway, which I can see that very gloss like new. Yes, bumper from them packet. And in the interiors only a little in which plastic was left. It is possible to paint a black semi-gloss. The mirror needs to be matted wet P2500 and polishing teeth when it is very flat in gloss. This trunk lid from CSL, the usual fender, and the latest will be the new fender from M3. And this I see the tailgate CSL. It was bought a CSL spoiler. So I was just wise to put all the random genius that I had access to it. I repainted, it was painted, this strip from the trunk lid. It must be put on this strip, but at the latest, because first polishing so that without not problems. And you see, these are handbrakes, but you will still be ordering leather. This one I see the bodywork of BMW. I've been painting the chamber so that I would like to clean the chamber or never dirty. The beams and stabilizer was previously a little rust, so that I did remove rust and paint yellow. The floor has been a maintenance protection agent to ensure no rust problems. Brake caliper and new rubber parts. And I did sandblasting from the brake caliper and it was terribly rust and dirty. I just did sandblasting and after regeneration like new. And the brick is new. This rear right fender are hurt and I had to repair for improved sheet metal to never do such harm. because I do not like such a thick putty. You can already see the rear skipper are clean. I painted everything black and yellow. These are thin putty and never make that thick. This rear seat is not ready yet to paint a special leather paint, and I knew they were dirty and I couldn't wash myself. Then I have a request for you to share my YouTube channel. If he manages to subscribe when over the whole world in people,